Harper looks like she had so much fun. Jupi. I know, Michi. Well, are you going to try to fledge today? Yeah, I really want to try. It seems really windy. Well, at least it's not raining like yesterday. Yeah. I'm going to try. All right. Maybe I'll go say hi to her. Okay, sure. Just try it. You can do it. You sure? Oh, it's a long ways down. Yeah, but you're an eagle. And you have wings so you can fly. Thinking... Okay, let me try again. That's kind of fun. Yeah. Just go for it, kid. It's a rather nice day for a first fledge. La 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 la. So this is where you guys jumped from, right? Yeah, up there. Well. Ooh! Oopsie! Let's see that again. La la la, minding my own business. The wind's really strong today. I'm just gonna chill here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Hey, where's Jupi? he fell off the branch. Really, Harpo? Yeah, Michi. You should have seen it. You think he can make his way back? I hear something. Ow! Ow! Let's see it again. Where's Jupi? Ba-doo-ba-doo. Incoming! Yeah! I missed! Okay. Ow! I think he missed. Come on, Jupi. He'll get it. At first you don't succeed. Try again. La la ba doo. You think you can make it, sis? I sure hope so. Here's the button. Here comes Jupi. Jupi's coming. Look out, Harper. Congratulations, brother. All three are home. Jupi, Harpo, and Michi. Great job.